In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an SSL certificate in Hostinger. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it simple and straightforward. The process is essential for securing your website and ensuring that your visitors' data is protected, all at no extra cost. So let's dive in and get your website secured. First, you'll need to head over to the Hostinger website. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Hostinger or search for it in your favorite search engine. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already signed up, you'll have to register, but assuming you're a Hostinger user, let's proceed to log in using your account credentials. After logging in, you will find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all your hosting needs. Here, look for the hosting account that you want to secure with an SSL certificate. Once you've found it, you'll need to click on Manage. This button will be located next to your hosting account details. Clicking on Manage will take you to the Management console, where you can control various aspects of your website. In this area, navigate to the WordPress section if you are using WordPress as your content management system. Not using WordPress? Don't worry, as the instructions are quite similar for other content management systems. This guide just focuses on WordPress for example purposes. Once you're in the WordPress section, scroll down until you find the SSL certificate area. Here is where you will handle your SSL needs. Now, depending on your current setup, you might see a button that says Install. If your SSL is not already active, click on Install to initiate the installation process. Hostinger usually offers free SSL certificates as part of their hosting packages, so this process won't cost you a dime. If you see that the SSL is already active, that means your site is already covered with an SSL certificate, and nothing further is needed on your end. However, if you want to double check, just ensure you clear your cache and refresh your website. You should see the secure padlock icon in the browser address bar, indicating that SSL is properly configured. And there you have it. Installing an SSL certificate on Hostinger is a seamless process that enhances the security and credibility of your website. It's something every website owner should prioritize. If you run into any troubles or have questions, remember that Hostinger's support team is there to assist you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy hosting!